Ban in Olathe in effect today, and on top of that, warmth and the lack of moisture, there's low humidity here that's all contributing to this. We're here with Mike Hall of the Olathe Fire Department. Okay, so there's a burn ban in effect, and that's applies to certain burning permits that you won't issue, but let's go over some of the common sense things that we need to keep in mind when it is like this.
Well, it's really just controlling the ignition sources. If you do choose to smoke, make sure that you control those cigarettes after you get done with them. Don't flip them out the window as you're going down the road. That's not an uncommon thing for us to experience. Get a grass fire by the side of the highway or the interstate, and really grilling, fire pits, those are things that really aren't recommended.
Now, when your firefighters go out on a day like this where there's a lot of wind, it's not just brush fires you're concerned about. Any kind of fire can be made worse by these conditions.
Absolutely. The wind could drive any type of fire today, especially maybe it's a neighborhood that's densely populated, homes are close together. All those things can burn along with the wind blowing. It can actually spread it.
All right, very good. Mike Hall of the Olathe Fire Department. Common sense is the thing that should guide you today when there is a burn ban, as you heard Mike talking about that there.